para hindi dumulas. Papirik laging dito kahit tigil isang dulo lang. Ayan po is Sir Boyet, ayan gumawa po ako ng saksakan dito malayo po pagka hindi po abot yung extension. Ayan po, ginawan ko lang po ng paraan para po ma-welding. Gumawa po tayo ng extension. Ayan, para pagka may weldingin dito tulad ng kulungan nito sira na rin po Sir Boyet wala po tayong flat bar, wala po tayong panglagay. Hindi ko kasi ma-welding na isa-isa yan, no? Wala, maipit po natin ng flat bar para matibay. Pagka isa-isa lang may-weldingin yan po nagkaka
Good afternoon, hello everyone, welcome to my vlog mga ka-BSK viewers. The video for today is fix all the broken thing in the farm, Joyet's farm, like that gate is all the weld that came off, so he's gonna fix that. And on the house of the goat, a lot of parts also that came up need to be fixed. Let's go, BSK viewers, let's go watch. He's gonna do some welding on the gate to fix the gate was falling off. Let's go watch him. That's Fernando, my buddy in Sagip Kaagapay, is fixing all the broken. The welding came up. You have to spat or fix that one so that the gate won't falling off. And KBSK viewers, and also on the goat house, a lot of welding came up, need to be fixed. All the steel matting was been separate because one of the goat was always hitting those metal. That's why the welding came out. That's the one I'm gonna fix now. Even also the water pump is gonna fix. There's a lot of things gonna fix. Let's go watch Fernando, my buddy.
Sige, okay na yan.
Hmm.
Patay mo.
Batay din sa pula.
Oo. Ayan po, i-welding na po natin yung sira. Po, tingnan natin kung diba. Kung paano to, puro ispat lang po eh. Nagdagan ko na po para matibay. Siya. Yan po. Pwede na po ikabit ni Tatay Rick yung ginawa niyo. Ilis lang po natin ng konti. Yan po, nakabit niya na. I-welding na po natin. Ayun. Sukat na sukat po . Angat niya pa akong konti. Yun. Ayan, nilapat na po ni Tatay. Ayan. Ayan, tali nyo na po yan Tatay Rick ng alambre. Pwede na yan. Yan po yung welding na ginamit natin bagong bili. Ayan po. Ni Tatay Rick ng alambre para hindi dumulas. Tatay Rick laging dito. Kahit tigis ang dulo lang. Ayan po is Sir Boyet, ayan, gumapo ako ng saksakan dito malayo po pagka hindi po abot yung extension. Ayan po. Ginawa ko lang po ng paraan para po ma-welding. Gumawa po tayo ng extension. Ayan. Para pagka may weldingin dito, tulad ng kulungan nito sira na rin po Sir Boyet Ayan wala po tayong flat bar. Wala po tayong panglagay. Hindi ko kasi welding na isa-isa yan. Ayan po. Wala, maipit po natin ng flat bar para matibay. Pagka isa-isa lang may welding yan po, pag dinikita nung kambing yan hinagod yung katawan nagkakatanggal-tanggal po Kailangan po talaga nakaipit po ng flat bar yan. Kaso wala po tayong flat bar dito. Kaya kukuha muna kami ng kawayan mamaya. Gagawin muna namin sahig na to. Butas-butas. Natali na po ni Tatay Rick.
A few moments later.
Yung mangga.
Mga ka-BSK viewers, that's my mango tree. Look at that, it's a lot of fruits. Oh my God! You can see right there, down the middle. Wow, it's too many. There's too many fruits. This is our mango tree. Yeah, very nice. And also over there, a lot of fruit also. My mango tree. And this one is our neighbor, but a lot of branches on my side was a lot of fruit. On the other side, there's no fruit, only on my side. And this one's there's a fruit also, but not few of them. They already pick. So and that's the house, my caretaker house. And
Yung
yeah,
mga gulok Tito Rick.
look pretty good.
Paanda rin ba natin to? Paanda rin po namin saglit yung Robin na diesel. Ayan po yung talong. Medyo sumigla-sigla na po siya. Ayan po yung kalamansi. Basa pa po yung lupa Paanda rin daw po namin yung diesel. Ayan po. Ito po yung blackberry. Ito po yung malunggay. Ayan, may bunga na po siya. So maliit pa po. Ito. Yung papaya po. Yung isa po halos patay na. Ngayon po, paanda rin lang po namin saglit yung Ito po yung blackberry.
Yeah, mga BSK viewers, that my update on my farm, Joyet's Farm. Yeah, hope you enjoy watching it, and thank you very much for all your support and watching my video. Thank you very much, and I will end up now here. So I'm see you the next video, the next vlog, and take care for wherever you are, and I would say bye bye now, and take care, and God bless everyone. Bye bye.